In this video I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone color. So what you want to do is go to settings. Once you have opened up the settings, go to accessibility and then click on display and text size. From here you want to go down. You want to click on color filters, and if you turn it on you can choose from grayscale, like red green filter, green red filter, yellow filter, whatever. And of course you can increase it intensity, or you can even have like color tint and play around with it as well. You can have like full red or whatever suits you. If you want to turn it off, just click on the button and it will be turned off, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.